When it comes to supporting heart health and potentially aiding in the maintenance of clean arteries, several vitamins and nutrients can be beneficial. They can contribute to overall cardiovascular health, which can help prevent and manage arterial blockages. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the amount of calcium in the blood, ensuring it is utilized properly, which is essential for cardiovascular function. It also influences the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, which helps control blood pressure. 2. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 helps direct calcium to the bones and teeth where it is needed and hardening of the arteries. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. It also supports the synthesis of collagen, which is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of blood vessels. Sources: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and supplements. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key step in the formation of arterial plaque. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Sources: nuts and seeds, spinach, broccoli, and supplements. 5. B vitamins. These vitamins help reduce homocysteine levels in the blood, an amino acid that, at high levels, is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Homocysteine can damage the lining of the arteries and promote blood clot formation. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, decrease the risk of blood clots, and lower blood pressure. They also help maintain the elasticity of the arterial walls. Sources: fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fish oil supplements. 7. Magnesium. Role in heart health. Magnesium helps relax and dilate blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure. It also plays a role in maintaining normal heart rhythm and preventing arterial calcification. 8. Coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 is an antioxidant that supports energy production in cells, particularly in the heart muscle. It also helps reduce oxidative stress and improve endothelial function. Thanks for watching.